So today's trade of the day video is a little bit more like market of the day, and we're taking a look at UK oil, so Brent crude for the perhaps uneducated amongst us. So what we're going to take a look at is a few moves that have taken place today, one on the 4-hour chart and then also on the 15-minute chart. And so let's start off with a buying trade from this morning. Now, small hours of this morning, we had a buy there at about 6 o'clock this morning. You had a bit of time to place the trade really, but there was the buy. And why was it the buy there at that point? Well, the green sniper, the green vector average line, the green trend signal line. So those three indicators, they're giving us the confirmation this market is now likely to go higher. As far as targets go, 4-hour charts, let's keep things really, really simple. Why simple? Because we want everybody to be able to follow this. So we're going to go for just 40 points. A 40-point objective on this target. So what's that going to be? Well, the gain's going to be then from 108.87. We're going to be looking for what? 109.37. Nope, 109.27 indeed. That's our target. That's our objective for the trade. And where does the market go? Well, we actually hit it on that first bar, and then goes a bit further and spikes through it before 2 o'clock. So that's today. We've taken 40 points out of the market on UK oil, a nice profit. Remember, £10 a point, that's 400 quid. You may be just £1 a point, but even so, that's still 40 quid just from not doing a whole heap, and maybe tax-free if you're spread betting that too. So that's really nice. Nice, easy to identify, nice, simple trade to take. But what else have we had today? Well, I want to show you about this move back down here. So we had that lovely buy for those who want to trade on longer term charts. But what if you want to trade a little bit more actively? Then you might decide to trade off something like a 15-minute chart. And here's the sell. There's that aggressive rally higher that we had there. So the market moving dramatically higher after 6 o'clock. You can see here that 2 hours later, 2.5 hours later, we're still in that entry zone. So you had plenty of time to place that buy. Then we accelerated throughout late morning, finally giving us the sell here. Why here for the sell on the 15-minute chart? Because this indicator is now red, red, red. 3 red indicators. 109.26 is now my potential sell point. What am I going to look for on a 15-minute chart? 20 points. Why 20? Because it's simple to follow and it works. So 40 points on a 4-hour, 20 points on a 15-minute chart. So we're short. Ooh, go against us straight away and getting a bit nervous, maybe needing some new underwear, whatever it may be. Now it starts to go down a little bit. It's only making a bit of profit now. Oh, that's a little bit better now. So starting to get towards target zone. Maybe just achieving target here and, oh, maybe against you. But now moving down quite aggressively there after 4:30. So either way, whichever way you cut it, there's 2 fantastic trades there. The buy on the 4-hour chart from this morning. For those of you who want to trade more in a relaxed way, not trading too often, looking at the markets 2 or 3 times a day. But for those of you who want to be a bit more active, oil's a great market to trade. It's fast and it moves. And at 109.26 at midday today, it gave us a sell, it gave us a profit, and at £10 a point, that's a 200 quid winner right there. And you only were in that trade for maybe 3 or 4 hours. A great winner, 2 lovely trades, 1 long, 1 short, and UK oil is today's market of the day.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, TrendSignal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the TrendSignal website for the latest events and to book your free place.